Hi guys, today gagawa tayo ng ginger and lemon. Inumin natin for every day, morning and night. Okay? Mag-slice tayo ng dalawang lemon, thin slice. Okay? And then ginger, also thin slice. Okay, and then we bring to the cooking pan. For 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Okay, yan. Lemon, 2 lemons and 1 ginger. And then we put a fire. Put a fire, guys. Talaga naman para maluto. Yan. Tapos we bring to boil 5 minutes. And then put hot water. Yan. Only 2 cups or 1 cup. And then yan, for 5 minutes. Okay. Yan guys, kumukulo na siya guys. Alam nyo guys, yung ginger has been shown to reduce hunger, which can help people lose weight, reduce the risk of some cancer. And lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which have immunity boosting properties. Yes guys, speed losing weight. Yan, kung gusto mong baba ng timbang, uminom ka ng lemon and ginger. Yan. Yan, pwede na siya mag-drink guys. Pwede na siya inumin. Thank you for watching.